What's cooking, Mom?
Well, I have chicken breast, and I don't do this every day. He comes home every 6 months, and it's my.
Where is it? I like my chicken breast. What else?
That's right. Eggs, 3 eggs. You want 4?
Okay.
Okay. 4 eggs. It's cheese. I put some cheese in there too.
The Sugar Belly secret, it can work whether you cook or if you don't. I don't like to cook, so I eat out. I eat out most. I eat out most of the time. But when I come home to see my parents, my mom cooks for me, and I eat very, very well here. When I came home about 6 months ago, I was trying to get my parents to really get on the Sugar Belly secret and lower the sugar a lot, increase the fiber. And I did something important that I recommend that everyone do, and that is remove the temptation from your kitchen. If you have items that are high in sugar, throw them away and replace them with something that is low in sugar and high in fiber. So I have pictures from that trip. So the juices are out. I don't know if people are in a little bit of trouble with my mom's cabinet. Really, I went to town here. Now my mom buys stuff like this. Let me show you. This here, I don't know, it's like I think it's got 3 grams of fiber and no sugar. So there's nothing wrong with this. We buy bread, but this has like double the fiber. I don't know if you can see it. It's double the fiber. It's got no sugar in it. I checked it all out. No artificial sweeteners. It's perfectly fine. So this is the kind of improvements.
And these have
Snacks.
They have fiber and no sugar.
There you go.
What?
I don't like to eat too many snacks. I eat a lot of protein stuff, protein bars. But when I do eat them, I like to have stuff like that. My mom takes care of me that way. Okay.
That eats the whole box.
I'll let you finish there.
I am finished, and I'm
Bye, everyone. I'm gonna eat now. Hasta luego.